बंदयो गुरु पद पदुम पराग सुरुचि सुवास सरस अनुराग अमयु मुरिमय चूरन चारु समन सकल भव रजु परिवार। श्री रामचरितमानस बालकंठ तुलसीदास। अर्थात गुरु के चरण की धूल को प्रणाम है, जो सुंदर स्वाद, सुगंध और अनुराग के रस से परिपूर्ण है। गुरु के चरणों की रज अमर मूल यानी संजीवनी जड़ी की तरह है। ये सभी भव रोगों के परिवार को नष्ट करने वाली है। From this line, first of all, I would like to request our coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Gunjan Malhotra ma'am, to please come on the stage and with the flowers, tribute to an iconic thinker and erudite scholar former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on this Jayanti. Now I request our some teachers to please come and present the tribute with the flowers. Sonam ma'am from class 3rd. Ms. Bhavya ma'am. Ms. Muskan ma'am. Ms. Manisha ma'am. Ms. Shweta ma'am. Ms. Asta ma'am. And last not least, our Sonali ma'am. Thank you all the teachers. A very good morning to our principal ma'am, our coordinator sir, our coordinator ma'am, respected teachers and my dear students. Today we are assembled here to celebrate the special and much awaited occasion of Teachers' Day. But before we begin the celebration, I would like to say something about why we celebrate Teachers' Day and why it is important. Teachers' Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. You must be wondering why the birthday of a former president is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Mr. Radhakrishnan was a distinguished scholar and an excellent teacher as well. He was so much popular among his students and that he was revered. For knowing more about this, I would like to call Sweetie Nishad of class 10 to present her views in front of us.